So hi everyone, welcome to the demo session of Selenium training. So in today's demo session, what I'm going to explain, let me explain at a high level. So the main purpose of this today's session is to give you a high level overview. Okay, high level overview of what exactly I'm going to cover during the sessions. Fine. What are the different topics that I'm going to cover? How my training is going to be different? Okay. The way we are going to cover the topics through the entire session. And there are many other questions that you guys already may have. That is, it may be related to some training contents, or it may be related to the timings of the sessions. Okay. So these are like outdated. Let me give other things. Okay. Course duration and price. All those kind of questions you may be having. Those are the general questions. Apart from that, I will also be clearing your doubts. Okay, so if you have any other questions, like what I'm going to cover, okay, is this particular topic going to cover, or any other things, okay, so we can discuss. And then based on this today's session, right, all the other sessions will be dependent. Fine, great. So let me get started. So let's start with the basic thing that what I'm going to cover. That is nothing but the training contents. So let me show you what are the different training contents I'm going to cover as part of these sessions. So let me open my training contents here. So guys, that's great. So guys, you can see the training contents, right? Yes, that's great. Fine, that's great. So here you see how my training is going to be different. The first slide itself says, this is going to be a beginners friendly. That means if you have no idea at all, or a lot of people just tell me, okay, because I'm a trainer from last good number of years, so a lot of people reach me and say that I'm completely into functional testing. So from the beginning of my career, I didn't get any opportunity to move into automation in my current company or previous companies. So is this the right time? I can actually start learning automation. Such kind of requests I get a lot. So those guys feel like Java is stopping some, like they cannot learn Java and they cannot move into automation, right? So you don't have to worry, guys. Okay, this is a very beginners friendly kind of course. Okay, so it will cover everything, so you don't have to learn or prepare anything just for these sessions. Okay, so just blindly follow all the sessions and practice them day to day. That's all enough. You don't have to learn from anywhere, or you don't have to have any knowledge of anything before you start this session, training sessions. That's the one thing. And also the same thing, second thing is in detail training. Okay, this is an in detail training. In detail training means each and every concept will be covered in detail. Okay, so there will not be any more doubts left. If any doubts are also coming apart from whatever I'm explaining, I'm ready to clear, guys. So you don't have to worry about the level of training that I'm going to give for each and every topic. So that's why I stated this is a beginners friendly and in detail training. So we are going to cover a hell lot of topics as part of this training, guys. Fine. So my name is Arun Moturi. Anyhow, I have to say that, right? So my name is Arun Moturi. So I will give more. I will tell more about myself. Okay, in the coming sections of this demo session. So let's wait for that time. For now, just remember my name. That will be very great from you guys. Okay, fine. Let's start with the topics, guys. Okay. So what else I am going to what exactly I'm going to cover as part of this demo sessions? Let me cover. First thing is like I generally start with introduction, guys. Okay, so without having an idea of what exactly is Selenium, if you read all this stuff, right, it will become a mess. So that's the reason I start everything with I will give a detailed overview of what exactly Selenium is. Okay, I give a detailed overview of what exactly is Selenium. In all directions, I will try to explain what is Selenium, what it supports, okay, whether it is popular or not, okay, whether it is free or costly, or you have to pay something for the license, what exactly is Selenium, what exactly it contains, okay, what exactly it supports, what exactly you can automate, and for learning Selenium, what exactly is required, okay, prerequisites that are required for learning Selenium. All those things I will be covering as part of the this introduction part. Anyhow, this introduction part, guys, this part you are seeing on the screen, this area will be covered tomorrow, guys. Okay, this is also part of the free demo session I'm going to cover. So tomorrow's demo session, that is demo session 2. As part of demo session 2, I'm going to cover this introduction topic. Okay, so you can why I'm covering this first topic as part of the demo session 2 is you will understand how my teaching skills are, like how I make the sessions more interactive. Okay, how you can understand the things when I explain, how easy I explain the things, how easy the things are for the beginners. So everything you will get from this demo session too. That's the reason I am just planning this particular first topic. That's the first topic of our sessions as part of the demo session too. Okay, so that's all. So now we are good with introduction. So what after introduction I will cover. Then there is some topic known as locators, guys. Okay, so this is one of the pillar you can say. Okay, if you want to learn Selenium, right, there are few pillars. If you want to learn Selenium, there are few pillars. One of the pillar is like locators. Locators is one pillar. So if you have to build a house, you need to put a pillar strong, right? So same thing. One of the pillar is like locators. So just keep this kind of things with me, guys. I will be little bit funny with some examples, real time cases and all, just to make you guys understand what are the things and all. Okay. So I'm just giving a pillar as an example. So just understand. Fine. Locators in detail, guys. So I am going to cover locators with lot of examples, guys, that no one else can cover. So I will start with some HTML basics. I'm not going to cover HTML in full depth, but it will be covered to some extent. Okay. So whatever the extent that we need to learn HTML, right, for Selenium, that very basic. Okay. Very basics of HTML are required so that you can understand locators. So that part I will explain. I'm not going to focus on Selenium IDE because Selenium IDE, you know, right, no one is going to use in the real time. Okay. We don't have to learn in detail, but still it is a useful tool. I will explain how it is a useful tool, how we can use it for our purpose and all. So very basic stuff about Selenium IDE will be covered. Then I'll be explaining all the concepts of locators. Okay. I'll be explaining a lot of concepts of locators and a lot of examples, practical examples, guys. I will be solving a lot of XPath expression, CSS selectors before you as part of these locators. So here you see XPath expressions. I am going to cover how many examples? 100 practical examples I am going to give. 100 plus practical examples I am going to practically write before you so that you can actually learn from my examples. Okay. So how to build some complex XPath expressions also will be covered as part of this 100 practical examples. Each and everything about XPath expressions will be covered. These are very important, guys. Okay. Without learning ABCDs, we cannot create words, right? Without creating words, we cannot create statements. Same thing. Here locators are like ABCDs, guys. Okay. We should be learning ABCDs first, then we can write the words, then we can write the sentences. That's how the course is structured. Fine. So advanced topics like XPath access will be covered. That's for sure. Then coming to CSS selectors also same thing, guys. Okay. Even CSS selectors are being used. So we'll be creating around like I will be practically showing 70 practical examples. Okay. So maximum amount of examples I'm giving, guys. Okay. Practically I will be solving before you. So each and every example I will take. I will solve you how this locator is actually locating the element. I will be writing the CSS selectors before you and giving you the solutions for locating the UI elements. Apart from that, like some famous add-ons, okay, in the market which can auto-generate this kind of locators. Everything will be explained. Okay, how many add-ons are there and what is the best add-on? Everything will be covered as part of locators. So guys, ping in the chat if so far clear with the contents. Just type S, simple S will be good. So yeah, if you are clear with whatever explained as part of the topics, if you feel everything is good, okay, so far without any doubts, you can simply type S. That's great, guys. So many of S's. That's very great. Now, great. Now, guys, now the next thing is Java. What amount of Java I'm going to cover? A lot of people ask me like, okay, I'm very new to Java. Okay, will that Java be covered in your sessions? To what extent the Java will be covered in the sessions? Don't worry, guys. I am going to cover Java like anything. It's you can simply treat that this not a like if I break the course, if I break my course into different parts, okay, my course will be something like this. Okay, at a high level, my course will be something like this, guys. The first part will be mostly into locators part. Okay, this is locators. Even less, I can say this may not be so much big. 1 minute. Let me draw the line bit less so that you can. I will be very practical with this. Since I am very practical with locators, it is taking this much of amount. Okay. So this is locators. So have this kind of idea, guys, so that when I'm going through the sessions, right, you will get a feel like, okay, when what is covered and to what extent we have to learn the things. So here, this part, you see the considerable amount of part. Okay, if I divide my complete training session, it will be like this, guys. I'm going to cover all the core Java concepts that are required for Selenium. Okay, all the Java that is required for Selenium will be covered in this amount of area. Then the next part is this part. This will be something around here. Okay, something. Okay, so you can see this. You can see the width, right? This width means the duration. You can just think the duration. I'm like breaking my complete session into different durations. You can see. Okay, I cannot give you exact time here, but at least you can understand the width, right? So how much duration it will take and all. So core Java, you see, so it's almost like 40% you can say, it may not be 45, maybe 35% you can say. Okay, 35% of my sessions are like core Java. Okay. Okay, one of the person is asking me a question, one doubt, that is Java is anymore not free source. The reason they bring up open JDK version here, disturbance is there, so can't speak. Okay, fine, no problem. So that's a good question, but guys, you don't have to worry about. Okay, you don't have to worry about whether it is free or premium or something. Okay, so anyhow, for learning purpose, you don't have to worry, guys. For learning purpose, it's always free. So a lot of doubts will be there, like whether I need to pay some license in order to use Java and all. So you don't have to pay any license as an individual user. You don't, but companies have to purchase the licenses in future. Okay, so companies have to purchase the licenses to get the advanced version of Java like that. But old versions not a problem. We can still use Java for free for learning, guys. No one will stop. Okay. So is that doubt cleared? Yeah, great. Someone has raised an hand. Let me see. Who is that? Any other person having any doubt, guys? Okay, by mistake. That's okay. That's okay. Fine, no problem. So let me continue. So that doubt got clear. That's very good. So here, core Java, you know, right? How much amount I'm covering? It's almost 35%. You can say 35% of my course is covering core Java, and it is my course is a detailed course. That means you are going to, without having any zero knowledge of core Java, you can come to these sessions, guys. Okay, having zero knowledge, you can come to these sessions, and by the end of this core Java sessions, you will be very confident in core Java. And a lot of feedback I got from the way I teach core Java for the people. So they say that okay, whatever the things that were taught in engineering, right? A lot of people are from computer background, I guess, but still uh, the the kind of teaching we get when they train us on Java and all may not be up to the mark, right? But now, after I complete all these core Java sessions, you feel that why didn't I study this kind of, why didn't I take this course during my engineering so that I would have got more marks, right? So that kind of feedback I used to get, guys. That's fine, but just get it. I'm just trying to give you confidence that how much amount of Java I'm going to cover. Okay, so core Java 35%. So to lot of extent, you don't have to worry, guys. Okay, anything about core Java, starting from ABCDs of core Java will be covered in this sessions. Starting from ABCDs of core Java, so you don't have to learn anything by yourself. Simply follow the sessions, you will be good. Then here Selenium WebDriver will come, guys. Okay, Selenium WebDriver. Selenium WebDriver, why the portion is less compared to core Java? Because it's an API, guys. Okay, it's simply an API. We just have to go through all the commands. Okay, simply WebDriver API commands we have to go through. Once you know Java, right? When you mix Selenium WebDriver with core Java, things will be good. So you don't need like 30 or 35% for learning Selenium WebDriver. Only 20% or 15 to 20% will be enough, guys. Okay, even though I cover Selenium WebDriver in depth, but still 20% is the category you feel. You see how much amount of core Java I am covering in these sessions, and the remaining portion I go for frameworks, framework concepts and frameworks will be covered. That means before I go to frameworks directly, so a lot of people, you know, right, they want to learn frameworks, but without actually learning the framework concepts, individual framework concepts, you will not understand frameworks, guys. Okay, so first I will be covering all the framework concepts, different framework concepts, like there are different framework concepts like TestNG, POI API, Log4j, okay, Maven. So a lot of stuff are there. So all those things are covered, and maybe one more section may be there. So remaining things are also there, like in the real time needed things, like Jenkins, GitHub, and all those things. Okay, you can take one more section here. That's fine. So guys, here 30% I can give this one. Any other percent left, guys? Just compare this 35, 45, 55, 65, 75, 85. So here 10%. Maybe this also around 10%, guys. It may not be accurate, guys. Okay, it may not be accurate, but overall you got an idea, right? How much things I'm going to cover in these sessions. So this is how at a high level my session will look like. Okay, if you understand this diagram, whatever I drawn here, you will be able to understand how my course is going to be there. So you can plan yourself properly and you can learn the things properly, guys. So guys, so everything clear so far? Just type S. Just type S if everything is clear regarding the way I'm going to cover the sessions. Great. Good to see a lot of participation, guys. You're typing yes very fast. You are a lot of, I can see your interest, guys. Okay. When you type yes means you are very interested. That's very great. Good to see that. Fine. So now coming to the Java, I told 35%. What else will be, what exactly will be covered in 35% that of the my course, that is core Java, dedicated to core Java. Okay. So let me show you here different contents starting from the beginning, guys. Okay. Even I'll be, some people may be feeling like I should not be explaining installation, but for other people, right, they may need this. Okay. Few people are good at installation and configuration of the stuff already, but there may be some absolute beginners. So we should keep them in mind, and then I have to explain in such a way that I'll be showing all the installation wizards, guys. Okay, which option I am selecting also I will explain. I'll not skip anything. I am not going to skip anything. Even installation, even configuration, each and every point I am have to show you. Okay, I have to explain you. That's how the session is planned. So everything will be practical and everything will be like in detail, step by step. So there is no doubt in that. So complete installation and configuration of Java will be explained. Okay. So like how to install, download Java, how to install it, how to select the installation wizard steps, and how to click on finish to complete the installation. Then after installation, well, how to configure it, how to check whether Java is really configured or not in your machine. Are the things fine or not? Like, everything will be covered. So then I'll go for the editor, Eclipse IDE editor we have. I'll be taking Eclipse IDE because a lot of people generally use Eclipse IDE. So I'll be like, even I am comfortable with Eclipse IDE. So I'll show you how to install, download, and use Eclipse IDE also at same time. Great. So then everything will start with ABCDs, guys. Here you see a sample project will be created. I will explain you the keywords that we generally use while writing the Java programs. Once you understand the Java programs, then only I'll start explaining the stuff like variables, data types. Okay. Without understanding Java, you should not start learning anything, guys. Okay. So you should know each and every keyword of Java first. So what? Not hundreds of keywords. I am not saying that. A sample program I will take, and then I'll just give you some 5 or 10 minutes of outline of what exactly that means. So I'll distribute. You will understand during the sessions, guys, how easy it will be for you to learn Java. Okay. So variables, data types, literals, operators, all the types are covered, guys. Okay. You don't, all the building blocks of Java are covered here. So you don't have to go anywhere. Different flow control statements like selection statements, looping statements like iterative statements, transfer statements, methods, classes, objects, arrays, strings, string related concepts, wrapper classes, data types, constructors, keywords, different keywords, overloading, overriding, packages, interfaces, inheritance. Okay, many stuff. Access modifiers, these are very important. Access modifiers are very important. Okay, so I'll be explaining each and every access modifier for you guys. These are very important. If you have to understand the frameworks, right, Java is important. So here in the diagram I showed you, I am giving more importance to Java in my course, guys, because if you understand and learn Java very well, right, you can easily understand WebDriver. Okay, they are related, somewhere related. And frameworks also, a lot of people tell me like frameworks are difficult for me. The only reason the frameworks are difficult because your understanding of Java is not that well. Okay, if you understand Java well, right, it's like you already got your tools, you have to build the building. Okay, if you have to, if you already got the tools, you can build something, right? Same thing, frameworks are also something. They are like creating a platform or something where train comes and goes. Okay, different trains come and go, like that. So such kind of platform, if you have to build, you need to have some material, right? That is nothing but core Java. Okay, so like that, guys, you have to think in that direction. Everything is connected here. Don't think framework has to be given more importance. Okay, Selenium WebDriver has to be given more important. Everything is connected here. If you learn something very well. If your basic bases are very strong, then you can understand and do a lot thing in WebDriver and framework concepts. Okay, these things will be very clear if you have the clarity of core Java, guys. That's why I focus core Java more, so that you will not get demotivated here. Okay, you will be very active here once you understand core Java. Fine, anyhow, so these are like a lot of advanced topics are also covered in case of core Java, guys. So as you can see, there are many concepts. Okay, list is a never ending kind of list is there for Java, if you can see, and each and every concept will be practical and solution oriented, guys. Okay, practical and solution oriented. I am going to solve problems before you guys. On behalf of you, I am going to solve problems. After the sessions, you have to solve it by yourself by looking at my problems and solutions. You have to solve, guys. Randomly, I give some assignments also. Okay, so that you can do. Okay, just to cross check whether you are following the sessions or not. So you may need some assignments. So randomly I will be giving some assignments wherever required. Okay, don't expect me to give each and every session some assignments. That's not going to happen. But wherever exactly that is required for you to actually, okay, just by solving that assignments, you'll get confidence, guys. Okay, that's okay. Then we have collections framework, which is very important. Okay, collections framework for Selenium is very important, and this plays a major role in frameworks also. Okay, collections framework. So this is very important topic, and other advanced topics of Java will be covered here. As you can see, good list is there. So fine. So guys, clear with Java? Clear with Java? Type S, guys. If you are, if you feel good with Java, whatever I'm going to cover as part of the Java. Great, guys. Great. Lot of SS. That's very great. Good to see a lot of participation, guys. I'm very happy that a lot of people joined today's session, and like everyone is very active and supportive. Okay, thanks for your love and support, guys. I feel very happy today. Great. Now, guys, as I mentioned, coming to the Selenium WebDriver. Okay, Selenium WebDriver. Selenium WebDriver is also important. Okay, once you understand Java, right, understanding of Selenium WebDriver is a cakewalk, and you feel and you love like working with Selenium WebDriver. Once you get the basics of Java and the way Java is organized and structured, the library format and all those stuff, that basics if you get right, then you look at Selenium WebDriver. It's very easy, and it's like a cakewalk, and you feel very you'll be loving the sessions. Okay, simply, okay, you feel like I have waited so much time for Selenium WebDriver. Okay, suddenly I got a boost, like I can do all the stuff. Such kind of energy you will feel at this kind of sessions using all the commands. Okay, each and every command has a purpose here. Okay, one of the command will be used for opening the application URLs, one thing for typing some text into the text box fields. Okay, you will enjoy this journey anyhow. All the commands are like very good for us. Okay, you'll feel happy while working on this stuff. Then some other advanced topics of Selenium WebDriver will be covered, guys, like handling multiple windows, okay, web tables, calendar. I'm not reading everything here. I'm just going at a high level. So waiting mechanism is very important. Then, guys, we have mouse related stuff, some other advanced stuff. At same time, guys, the main focus here is like, as you already know, Selenium 4 is not yet released, but alpha versions are released, right? Selenium 4 alpha versions are released. So we are actually like it's Selenium guys are taking a lot of time to release the latest version of Selenium, that is Selenium 4. Currently, the stable and latest version is still Selenium 3 only. But somehow Selenium guys have released Selenium 4 alpha versions. But just to like our curiosity, like what exactly is new in Selenium 4 from Selenium 3, a lot of people have that doubt, right? So that I am going to cover. Okay, I am going to cover how Selenium 4 is like comparatively new. Yes, I can cover that. Okay, so a lot of advanced topics will be covered. Auto IT, I will be covering. If you have any other topics, guys, I will be covering. Not a problem. Okay, I didn't list a few topics there, but I am going to cover them. Okay, so some important topics like auto IT and robot. Okay, robot class. That kind of topics definitely they will be covered. So Selenium 4 is also being covered. Okay, so for now, so fine. And you see here I said any more advanced concepts. This means here auto IT may be there, here robot class may be there. Okay, I got a question actually in the chat. They were asking me like whether you cover auto IT. That's why I was answering yes, auto IT will be covered also. Okay, as part of these advanced topics. like few things like auto IT, some additional things that are required like auto IT or robot class. Okay, all those things will be covered, guys. No need to worry. Selenium WebDriver also will be covered in detailed case. No need to worry anything about Selenium WebDriver. Here, once you have the locators, once you have the core Java, once you have the Selenium WebDriver strong, then frameworks will become very easy for us. Yes, extents reports will be covered as part of the another question I got from Kashif. Okay, and yes, JUnit other question also I got. I will be answering one by one. Okay. So Kashif is asking me whether extent reports will be covered. Yes, extent reports will be covered as part of the this part framework concepts. I told you right. Each and every building block for creating the frameworks. Extent reports I will be covering as part of reports of framework concepts. Kashif, clear? Great. And another one, I don't know the name. So, but JUnit will be covered or not. So I am not going to cover JUnit. I am going to cover TestNG instead. Okay. TestNG is more powerful compared to JUnit, guys. Anyhow, when you understand my TestNG concepts, JUnit is a like a right. It's a kind of cakewalk. Okay. So anyhow, I'll think about JUnit. Still, you are as you are asking me about JUnit. Anyhow, in my future sessions where I'm going to cover this BDD Cucumber. BDD Cucumber. Okay, I'm covering BDD Cucumber as part of this training, guys. While explaining this, before I have to explain this BDD Cucumber, guys, you should have some basic knowledge of JUnit. I'll be covering JUnit to some extent as part of this BDD Cucumber. Is that fine? Is that fine? I don't know your name, but I can see in your chat the question. So is that fine? Just type that will be enough. Otherwise, okay. Yes, that's great. That's good to see the response back. Fine. Next one. Hmm. So these are all like right, all the things that are required for. I will be covering complete thing, guys. Okay, I will not leave anything behind. So I'm going to cover everything. So if you see any topic that is not covered, just give me a ping. Okay, just chat with me on WhatsApp. Ask me in the WhatsApp. Not only in this session, guys. You can also ask me during the sessions. Also, can you cover this? Can you cover that? Okay, that. I will be very happy if you ask something like that I am not covering, so that I can include in my topics and then cover. Okay, not an issue, guys. So fine. Then what else we have? A lot of commands. Okay, a lot of API commands, a lot of advanced topics of Selenium WebDriver will be there. So guys, now type S if everything is okay for you related to Selenium WebDriver. If you are fine with Selenium WebDriver, just type S. That's great. I'll try my level best in covering all the topics, guys. No need to worry. Just if I am not going, if you see me not covering any particular topic, you can ask me. Okay. On request basis, also I'm going to cover. Not a problem. Okay. I'll try my level best in covering most of the topics. But in case if I miss anything, just let me know. I'm very happy. I will be very happy to cover the topics. Okay, as they are requested by you. So fine. Then we'll go to the framework concepts, guys. In this is like you can say out of 5 parts, this is the 4th part where I'll be covering some properties files, POI API, Log4j, TestNG, Maven, extent reports, and any other things that are remaining that need to be covered as part of framework concepts will be covered here, guys. Okay, all the all the material that we need for creating the framework, right? Building the frameworks will be covered here. These are not frameworks; these are framework concepts. First, framework concepts will be covered. Once you are good with the framework concepts, then it will be very easy for you to understand frameworks, guys. Okay, all the frameworks also will be covered, like data-driven framework, keyword-driven framework, hybrid framework, page object model, and page factory design pattern. It's not a framework; it is a design pattern. Okay, these both are design patterns. These are frameworks. Then we have the famous thing nowadays. A lot of people are using BDD Cucumber in the market, right? I'll be explaining all the basics of BDD Cucumber first. Okay, why BDD is required, what are the basics of BDD, how to create the feature files. Okay, so all those things I'll first explain. Then only I'll go to the framework, which is based on the BDD Cucumber things. Fine. Then in real time, if you see, a lot of people will be working together in the companies, right? So they will be using the tools like Git, GitHub, okay, and Jenkins for different purposes. So I'll be explaining in detailed. Okay, I'll be covering a complete checklist of Git commands. I'll be practically typing before you all the commands that are there in Git, guys. Okay, this is very important. And GitHub also. What are the things that you can do with GitHub? Okay, all those things. Then Jenkins for Okay, you know, right? CI/CD kind of things. Nowadays, people are using Jenkins like anything. So Jenkins will be there, and any other advanced topics that are not covered as part of the frameworks will be covered here. Okay, so that's fine. You can also request me something if you want something more from my side. You can request me. I will plan for that in the sessions. So guys, till here, these are the training contents. Okay, these are the training contents. So type S if everything is clear related to the training contents. Type S if everything is clear related to the training contents. If you understand everything, just type S, guys. Great. Good to see a lot of S's. That's great. Super clear, Sachin. Yeah, that is very good word. Okay, great, guys. Great. I will come to that. One person is asking me what is the duration of the training. I'll come to that. Not a problem. Okay. Yes. Nice. Great. So let's discuss about training timings. Okay. So I'll come to the course duration. First, let me explain the training timings. Then you will understand the course duration very well. Okay. So training timings, I am planning like this, guys. Okay. So after seeing all the directions, yesterday I have reached each and every person who is attending this particular training. Individually, I have just went them through the WhatsApp. I like ping there, and then they were responding. Okay. So it's like it's a very good communication with a lot of people yesterday. So when I reached a lot of people for attending this demo session. So like a few people like gave me some suggestions like this will be good for the training timings. Okay, so I have some baby, I cannot take care of okay the family. If you plan this kind of sessions at this point of time, by keeping everyone at same time, I should not compromise, because a lot of people have to work from home. Okay, a lot of people want to work from home, so that's another problem. So because in the morning, right, in the morning till 10 you may be available, but again some people may have calls from 8 to 10 also at the same time, but in the evenings it will be good, I feel, right? So one thing, some people are still saying Saturday and Sunday. Okay, so I'm not covering detailed Saturday and Sunday. You can see only 2 hours I'm planning for Saturday and Sunday. That won't be a problem for you, I guess. I feel, because if I don't take Saturday, Sunday, right, your sessions will not be completed. Okay, so maybe we'll do one thing, guys. For few days, we'll go with this plan, and if someone is having any resistance in case of training timings, we'll change it. Okay, because even I am not free in I am not you see, I just covered from Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. Tuesday and Wednesday are not there here, right? Tuesday and Wednesday are not there because I am already taking some sessions parallelly, that is morning batches. I am not even able to take okay, so in the beginning, just give me some time. My sessions are going to end by the end of this month for that particular parallel training that I am taking. So it may not be possible for me to take all the complete weekdays. Okay, that's the reason you have to bear with me for 2 days, that is Saturday and Sunday. Okay, only for 2 hours, guys, I'm just requesting. So is that okay, guys? Is that okay? Type S whether training times are good. Yes, coming to Tuesday and Wednesday, where you got the time, you can practice, guys. Okay, I'm giving 2 days of time. At same time, Saturday and Sunday also, if you get some free time, you can practice. Here, I don't want to take 3 hours in a single day. I can take 3 hours, but you will get drained out. Okay, I know from I gave a lot of training so far. So people, you can focus maximum up to 2 hours. Behind 2 hours, no one can focus, guys. Okay, there is no possibility that people can focus behind 2 hours. It's not a good idea to go behind 2 hours. Okay, so that too, I'll make the sessions more interactive so that you feel very comfortable. Okay. Okay, yeah. So some people may have client calls. Don't worry, guys. It may not be apt because we cannot get ideal times for everyone. Right? Training timings cannot be ideal for everyone. I'm going to share you the recordings. Okay. Some due to some XYZ reasons. Okay. Due to some XYZ reasons, you are not able to go through the session. I will be sharing the recording. Okay. Just go through the recording at that time. Okay, only for that timings where you are not able to attend the sessions, and remaining things you will be very it will be very lively sessions for you, right? So it may not be ideal for everyone. Training timings cannot be ideal for everyone. Some people want weekends, some people may want weekdays, some people evening times, some people morning times. So it may not be so much easy for the trainer to actually, you have to understand the pain of the trainer also at same time. Okay, I understand your pain. So I was discussing with Sriram also at the same time, what will be the best timing. These people are asking like that people are asking like this. So after having a lot of discussions, right, we decided with these times. Okay, in future we'll we may change a bit. Okay, not completely, we may change a bit. We may actually add Monday, like Tuesday and Wednesday also. Okay, but in the beginning days, you have a lot of time, guys. Okay, you have 5 days. 5 days are covered here. So I'm giving you break on Tuesday and Wednesday, and coming to the Saturday and Sunday, you need to bear with me. There is no way, guys. Sorry for that. If I am not able to adjust the things, but this is the thing, guys. Okay, on 8 p.m. to 9:30 p.m. Thursday, 8 p.m. to 9:30 p.m. Friday, and Saturday, Sunday, 10 to 12 p.m. 10 to 12 p.m. 2 hours. Okay, but on Thursday and Friday, I don't want to take more time, so I am just giving 1.5, 1.5, and Monday 1.5 hours. So in a week, how many hours I'm going to cover, guys? You can just calculate here. 4 and here 3, that is 7. 8.5 hours. That's pretty good, guys. Okay, if you can give me this time from your time, 8.5 hours, that is very good. I can complete the sessions in 2 hours. Sorry, 2 months, guys. Sorry, 2 months. We'll be able to complete the trainings in 2 months if you can, and also you'll get the some time to practice also, right? I'm giving 2 days of break. You can practice at that time. So 2 months of time I will be able to complete the sessions, and there may be some requests coming from the attendees. So that request I will be covering at the end. Okay, I'll be noting down all the things that people are asking me. Cover this, cover that. Okay, so I'll be noting down them, and I will be covering them at the end of the 2 months. After 2 months, I will be covering that extra sessions that are requested by the people that are not mentioned in my training curriculum or course contents. Fine. So guys, type S if training timings are okay for you. At least I tried my level best in getting the good training times for you, but still some people may, I understand. Okay, pain of yours, but if I get the majority yes, I will be very happy, guys. Okay, yeah, good to see a lot of faces, guys. That's very great. That's very good response from your side. So if in case someone is not able to attend the sessions to the due to XYZ reasons, okay, XYZ reasons, you can easily go through the recording, guys. Okay, recording. You don't have to attend all the sessions, right? Sometimes we have to give some personal time also, but we may try our level best. But still, if you miss any session, you can go through the recording of that particular session on that when you're free, and then attend the next day session. I'll be trying to share the sessions as soon as possible. So no need to worry, guys. Okay. No need to worry. Great, guys. Sure, sure, Leela. No problem. You can ping me personally. Not a problem. Okay. After this training session, demo session. That's great. Fine, fine, guys. Good to see a lot of SS, and good to see a lot of active participation. Now let's go to the next item. Okay. So we are done with the training contents, and we are done with the training timings. Okay. Then we have the course duration. Course duration is, I already explained, 2 months. Maximum it may take half more month, guys. Okay, based on the things. If you guys want me to explain more things that okay, yes, I will be sharing all the recordings. Some person is asking me whether you will be sharing all the recordings. Yes, definitely, you will have all my recordings, guys. Okay, uh, everyone, whatever the I will give you more. Okay, so there is a lot of things coming up, guys. Okay, you'll feel very happy by the end of this session. You'll feel very happy. Okay, there are a lot of things I'm going to give you. Surprises are there. That's fine. Yes, I will be sharing all the recordings. No need to worry, guys. Okay, also notes are also there, not only recordings. Fine. Along with notes you will get. Yes, I will be sharing both notes and recordings. No need to worry, guys. I am getting a lot of questions on the chat. That's great. So you will be having all my notes and recordings for each and every session. With each and every code will be there with you with notes. Okay, why notes? Why notes, guys? Why notes are important? Let me explain the importance of the notes. So guys, initially you may go through my recordings, right? One or two times you may go to my recordings, and your recordings for example, one session is for 1 hour. 1 hour session you attended, right? Next time also, again you want to recap yourself just before attending some interviews or something. Yes, correct. Okay, so what happens is you cannot spend 1 hour of time because you may be having some 2 or 3 days for attending that interview, and you may not go through all the recordings like that, right? So now here comes kind of magic where notes are very important. So just go through the notes, revise in 2 or 3 days. Within 3 days or with less than 3 days, you'll be able to revise all the notes of my sessions. You don't have to go through my 1 hour 2 hours of videos every time. So notes will be so helpful. So I am very good at notes, guys. Okay, you don't have to take down any notes from your side. I am very good at notes. I will be sharing all, whenever I share something after the session, right, I'll be sharing not only recordings but also notes. Okay, with each and every link to the code will be there in the notes. Okay, even each and every jar file, each and every exe file, okay, everything will be there in the notes. You can download from the notes itself. Simple. And also revising purpose, it will be very handy, guys. Okay, I got a lot of feedback from a lot of people from my earlier sessions, like your notes are very helpful, okay, in preparing for the interviews and all those stuff. So that's the reason, guys, I share notes along with the recordings. Fine, guys. So this now the interesting part is course price. Okay, so a lot of people were asking me yesterday when I interacted with them over the WhatsApp. So training contents are very good. Training timings, they didn't know anyhow. Course duration, they didn't know anyhow. That's fine. They just know now. But course price is something that a lot of people, because I know the, like, a lot of people want to they may not be in a position to pay good amount, right? So initially, guys, like I planned actually for 12,000 rupees. Okay, initially I planned this course for 12,000 rupees, but since I got a lot of response from you guys, okay, a lot of people even attended my demo session now today. So I feel very happy that, and I would like to share, give my course price as 5,000 rupees only. Okay, so I am keeping my course price at 5,000 rupees only per person. So I'm not charging 12,000 rupees, guys. So this is how I'm giving this kind of thing, because I'm seeing a lot of people attending my session today. So right, number of people, more people are there, I can, like, less price will be good actually. Okay, even more people I get, I may reduce the price even more in future also. Okay, so that's good. For now I feel 5,000 rupees will be very good, I feel. So what do you think, guys? Is the course price attractive? Yeah, I already getting some comments saying very good price. That is great, guys. Just type as, guys, if you are fine with the course price. Yes, I don't want to charge. My quality also will be very good. Hi, guys. Okay, don't think that the price is less, quality will be less. That will not be the case. As you can see, my contents, okay, they are very depth in detailed. I am going to give a lot of efforts. I am going to do a lot of hard work in training you guys. Okay, and at the same time I would like to give the knowledge for less price so that you will get benefited from this course. So, and I would like to train more people rather than charging more. I would like to train more people. That's my idea, guys. Okay, so I would like to train more people rather than charging more to the people. And at same time you also will get benefited, because right, finance thing is like good, important for everyone. Fine, course prices. Now I got a lot of good responses from people saying that yes, the course price is very good. I feel very happy now. Okay, so it's not about money, guys, it's about satisfaction. So I also aim for satisfaction. When I train someone, right, I need to get satisfied whether I train them very well or not. Okay, it's not just about the money. Money is something, a kind of a byproduct, you can say, for satisfaction. Fine. How my training is going to be different? Already you got a kind of feel like how my training is going to be. I explained a lot of stuff already, right? Out of these 4 points itself. But still, how the training is going to be different from others? Let me explain again in a detailed manner. First thing, step by step. First thing is step by step, guys. After step one is completed, only then we'll go to step two. There is no hurry in kind of mixing stuff, okay, doing all the stuff. A lot of people, there are, right, I just even, I have some competitors anyhow. I know like how the things work out. So, okay, fine. Someone is interrupting me and asking me a question, that is, do you provide any certification after the session complete? Yes, if you attend, there is a trick here, guys. That is, if you attend all my sessions till the end of my sessions, okay, I am not going to give certificate if you drop in between, guys. There is no way. Okay, you have to attend each and every session I am going to take till my end of my sessions. That will be a good motivator, right? And you will be feeling very confident. Okay, I got a certificate because I attended all the things. Now I know all the things. Such kind of thing I need to expect from you. At the same time, that should motivate you. Okay, it's not just about getting a certificate, right? It also should be, you should be able to attend all the sessions and understand the things. Then getting a certificate will make you very happy. Yes, definitely, yes. I'll be providing the certificate at the end to the people or students who actually complete all my trainings. Okay, who actively attend my sessions and complete my sessions, they will be getting a certificate for sure. No need to worry. Okay, now coming to the point, step by step. Step by step. Step by step means we are not in a hurry, guys. I don't want to mix Java with Selenium. Some lot of trainings are happening in like there are a lot of Java, Selenium Java trainers. I understand, but everyone has to be different from each other, right? So some people, what they will do is they will mix the things. So while they are explaining Selenium, they will explain Java. So it will be, I don't like this concept. Okay, so I don't like this concept at all because lot of confusions, guys. Lot of confusions. Okay, so even I tried this, but this is not so good or fruitful for everyone because you are mixing Chinese with Japanese, so you'll not get anything. Okay, so that's the thing. That's the reason, guys. I will go step by step. First, what is the introduction? Get an overview of what I'm going to cover. Once you have the clear direction, okay. Once you have the clear direction, yeah, one more question I'm giving more focus to the questions because people are asking me. That's it will be very good for me to answer them first. Okay, I will stop there. If I am continuing something, I'll stop and then I will go to the questions and come back again. So another question I have is, when would the training start? It will start. It will start where? What is the timetable we have? Thursday, right? Yes, on Thursday it will start. What's the next Thursday we have, guys? So Indian time, guys, take this as an Indian time. Okay, if someone from other countries are attending this session, just type for IST. Okay, so you have to check every timing in IST. All these things are in IST, guys. Okay, I forgot to mention IST here, but take this as IST now. So here, Thursday is on which date, guys? Thursday is on 9th. Yeah, 9 is my lucky number. That's very good. So 9th. Okay, so 9th we are going to start. Is that okay, guys? Is that okay to start on 9th, Thursday? Yeah, can you hear me now? Can you hear me now, guys? Guys, can you see my screen? A temporary disconnection happened my side. That's okay. Fine. Great, 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 guys. Thanks for letting me know that you are able to hear and see my screen now. That's very good. So where were we? Where are we actually? So I don't want to mix up the stuff. And other thing I was explaining was someone asking me about something. What is that? Can you repeat that question, guys? What was the last question? So someone was asking me. I was explaining what was the last question before I get disconnected. Okay, fine. So guys, yeah, when we are going to start the session, right? That was the question. Yes, yes, correct, correct. I remember. So when are we going to start the session is, I'm just aiming at Thursday, guys. Thursday 9th. Okay, Thursday 9th in Indian time. Indian time. Indian time is IST. Timing is, timing is, what's the timetable? 8 p.m. to 9:30 p.m. Okay, that is going to be our starting session. I mean, starting means next second session. Tomorrow also there is a demo. Okay, tomorrow also at the same time, that is 10 to 11:30, there is a demo session. Which as part of the demo session, I will be taking the first session. Okay, so you can guys, you can actually attend the demo session as part of the first session, and then if you feel everything is good, you can, okay, you can actually join my training program, and then we can start from Thursday 9th Indian Standard Time at 8 p.m. 8 p.m. to 9:30 p.m. IST. Okay, p.m. IST. So is that fine, guys? Timing, like when I'm going to start the session, is that good, right? That's a very good question actually. When are we going to start is very important for a person to start, right? Training and all, so others to know also at same time. So I'll also include here start date, right? Start date and time is like Thursday. This is going to be Indian time, 8 So 8 p.m. 8 p.m. guys. Okay, IST. 8 p.m. IST. So guys, let me continue wherever I stopped. That is step by step. So I was explaining, like I'll be explaining all the things in a step by step manner. Like first introduction will be done. Once you get an overview and the course structure, right? Now you'll be very good. So what will be covered next? You have some okay thing in your mind, like okay, this is how the course will be covered. So next thing is locators will be covered. I said already. Then Java concepts will be covered. Then Selenium WebDriver will be covered. Then framework concepts will be covered, and then actual frameworks will be covered, and any other real-time things will be covered at the end. So here, this is like step by step. You can see my course is very step by step. Yes, yes, yes. Someone is saying like we should start very sharp at 8 p.m. If 8 p.m. everyone has to join by 8 p.m. Yes, correct. Yes, that will be very good for everyone if everyone joins on time. Okay, so we'll be starting very sharp every day. I got a question, so I am just explaining. So 8 p.m. sharp. That time, whatever the timings I mentioned, will be definitely followed, guys. Yeah, tomorrow's session I will be giving a small introduction, guys, of Selenium and all. So that's the main intention is to make you understand how interactive the sessions will be and how easy it will be for you to understand my way of explanation and all. That's the main intention. Okay. And if you want any other things as part of the tomorrow session, just let me guys. Let me know, guys. Okay. Mostly I will be covering introduction tomorrow. If you have anything in your mind, you want to check me in any direction, just let me know. I am okay with that. You just give me that things I will be covering. No problem. Okay. Fine, fine, great. So the next thing is like detailed training. I already explained. Each and every topic will be in detailed case. Okay. Each and every topic will be in detailed manner, beginners friendly and easy. So if you are an absolute beginner, this course is for absolute beginners, guys. Okay. Sometimes I feel I'm doing a lot of spoon feeding, but that's okay because there are different type of students attending my session. So some people may feel like it's kind of spoon feeding, but sometimes it's okay to spoon feed. Okay. So I'll try my level best in making the sessions very easy anyhow. And advanced topics at the same time will be covered by the end of the course. As you can see my course structure already. So initial days it will be like so kind of easy stuff will be there, and slowly you will be able to build step by step. Okay. And step by step will reach to the advanced topics by the end of the course. That's how the course is planned. It will be suitable not only for beginners but also for kind of people who want to learn some advanced topics at the same time. Okay. So already I said price friendly without compromising the quality, because I got a lot of people. Okay, I got a lot of good response, so I'm very happy to share this course for less price, and then without compromising the quality. Okay, I feel very happy, so I'll be more happy, more quality will be delivered anyhow. Fine. More practical and less theory, guys. I am not going to take a lot of theory subjects. Okay, only necessary things will be explained in a theoretical manner, but most of the sessions will be practical, guys. Okay, 90%, 90 to 95% practical, only 5% maybe theory, guys. Okay, so 95% practical. No one can say 100% practical. That's not good, right? So I have to say 90 to 95. Solution oriented. Why I'm saying solution oriented? Because I'll be solving questions. I'll not leave the questions in between, guys. If I take a topic, let's say there is some topic like fluent weight. Let's say there is a topic like fluent weight in the Selenium WebDriver. So I'll first explain what is fluent weight. Then I will try to create a problem. I'll take a problem and I will solve the problem. Before you, I will solve the problem. Okay. I will not leave any topic, guys. I will solve. I will give a solution for you. In the same session itself, you are going to get a solution. That's very important for learning, guys. Okay. A lot of people actually feel very difficult in learning the Selenium or any other topics or Java or any other thing. Is like they don't get solutions. Every trainer don't provide any solution, guys. Okay. So I just observed that. Okay. Despite of making the sessions easy and beginners friendly, I also do the same this kind of follow this kind of approach where I'll create problems, I'll solve it for you. Okay. When you get the solutions right, you will feel very happy. Okay. When you get the solutions right, you will get confident and happy. That's how the sessions should be different. Okay. That's how I make the sessions different from others. Next thing, kind of very interactive. Okay. So don't think that I am just frightening you. Okay. I'm not going to frightening you, guys. Okay. The main intention of interactive is like to make you guys active during the sessions. If I ask you some question, type S. If I say type S, if you type S right, you will feel very happy. Okay, just type as I am very active, I'm listening to the sessions. If you don't type anything while you are attending sessions, you will get sleep and all those stuff. Okay, I know, I have taken a lot of sessions. I know, like, psychologically how that will impact some people who are attending some 1.5 hour and 2 hour sessions, right? So we have to make sessions very interactive, guys, otherwise things will not work out. So I'll simply ask you to guys to type yes, or otherwise I will ask some same things, very simple answers I will ask during the sessions. Okay, just to make you guys confident and interactive at the same time. More examples, guys. So if a topic if I take any particular topic, I won't actually, okay, I won't actually give 1 or 2 examples. I will try to give more examples until you become very confident about the topic. I keep on continuing, guys. Okay, until you become confident, I keep on continuing. Okay, that's how the things will be there. Then more examples will be covered. Okay, more examples will be covered. Then the next thing is, more examples. All the prerequisites anyhow covered, right? Java, locators, and HTML basics. Any other things required also will be covered. Detailed notes, I already told, recording and notes will be shared. Framework concepts also, I told you. Okay, friendly trainer, I am a very friendly person, guys. Okay, you can ask me anything. So interview questions will be shared in a good number after the course completes. After the course completes, I will be sharing a good number of interview questions for you. Don't think just training is done, that's it. Okay, shaking hands and saying bye, that will not be the case. So I'm going to give you a lot of material after the training also, for you two guys to prepare for interviews and all. And more time will be available for your practice, because I'm giving a break of 2 days in the beginning of the sessions, and we'll continue our connection even after the trainings. Okay, I'm not going to say goodbye after the training. You can be in touch with me, and you can take any carried guidance or any other things related to training. And yeah, that's great. You have security testing. Okay, one person is telling me, like, he has some 5 years of experience and has security testing experience. That's very good to know. So even I have the security. Okay, even I have the security testing experience. That's very good to meet. Then you see, my testing experience is 12 years, guys. I worked in the industry for 12 years, and my training experience is like, I've been training from 2013 ending onwards, I guess. So I just roughly, I can say 7, but I made it 6, so that I should be very confident. So 6 years I can say for now. Okay, I have 6 years of training experience. I have been taking a lot of batches for US consultancies and all those stuff. Okay, the people who are preparing for the interviews and all, I used to take. Yes, you can definitely convert your experience, whatever the experience you got, into automation. Manual is like software testing, you can say software testing experience, into some automation skills you can adapt to your software testing skills. Okay, that is possible, no problem, because I am covering everything in detail. There is no way you cannot okay, have that. So after this, all these contents and all, you should already get some confidence that how much I am going to cover, right? So you are going to definitely convert your that non-functional automation testing into, no, I mean non-automation automation testing into automation testing. Okay, fine. Now, so fine. Once we are done with the demo sessions, I am going to add you guys into a WhatsApp group, guys. The people who are finalized, right? Okay, they will be added into a WhatsApp group, and I'll be sharing a separate meeting URL for them to join the training sessions. You have to use that meeting URL, and every day I'll be sharing those recording and notes in that WhatsApp group only. Okay, every day I'm going to share the recorded video and notes of that day session in the WhatsApp group. So it's very important for you guys, after you register for the session, you have to make sure that you are added to the WhatsApp group. Okay, so I'll be adding that. Then you can even clear the doubts in the WhatsApp group, and you can share usable things related to Selenium, Java, or automation in that WhatsApp group. Okay, so after demo sessions, immediately I'm going to create a WhatsApp group for the with the list of the finalized students who are interested in continuing with my sessions. And on the top of this, guys, the surprises came. The surprise item has came now. Where? Yeah, yeah. What is the suggestion? I got a question. Let me give you a suggestion. Like, yeah, you can give me, not a problem. I'm open. You can type. Okay, I got a question, but it's not completed yet. That's fine. Let me continue until I get the question. Okay, so I didn't get your question. Can you brief it in a better manner? Sharing notes not allow others to reply. What does that mean? I didn't get that. Fine. Anyhow, you can type that question in a detailed manner. Yes, I will be sharing the notes. Yes, I will be keeping you guys open, guys. No problem. You can actually reply there. Not a problem. Okay. I will be sharing the notes at same time. You will be open to type whatever you want in the chat until and unless you are sharing only related stuff related to Selenium, Java, and automation. Okay. Yeah, you should not be replying much, right? You are saying that's okay. We'll make sure. Okay, it's not the current important thing, right? We'll take care of the things. Not a problem. Okay, fine. I hope I got I have actually cleared your doubt. Let's see. Otherwise, we can talk in personal and then get that cleared. Okay, you can reach me on WhatsApp after this session or call me also. No problem. And guys, this is the main surprise I wanted to give you. So apart from giving you this course price, which is actually worth of 12,000 rupees for 5,000 rupees, on the top of that, I am planning to give this give away these three courses. Okay, my famous courses. I have three courses with me. One is Selenium. Already I am selling my Selenium course. So this Selenium course, which is around like 130 plus hours, and we have something like API all-in-one course, all-in-one tools and all-in-one concepts and automation course. Okay, this one we have around like 60 plus hours, and another course we have is like related to security. uh, I think one person like he said like he already knows security. That security video course is there with us, and that is like 30 plus hours is there. So totally around we have very 200 plus hours of, right, 200 plus hours of video course I'm going to give away for free for the people who register for my course, guys. Okay, this is a surprise. This is a benefit I'm going to give. This course itself, this courses itself actually are worthful. Okay, so like they cover most of the portion, and on the top of that I'm giving training. So training plus you are going to get training plus all these video courses from my side just for rupees 5,000 rupees. Okay, so it looks like I'm marketing, but okay, this is very kind of okay. So just it's not a marketing, guys. I'm trying my level best in giving more content for less price. Okay, I'm trying to give more content for less price so that you will get benefited. It's very good. Already getting a comment saying it's very good. Okay, yes, yes. I'm just trying to give it as an extra benefit because the people who are attending my training should get benefited from my trainings. Okay, they should not be simply paying 5,000 rupees. They should get some benefits also at the same time. They should feel that I am paying a worthful amount. Okay, and I'm getting more out of the less amount I am paying. They should get that kind of feeling. So how many guys think that this offer is very good? Type S, guys. Okay, I will feel very happy if you type S. Is this good, guys? So training plus videos of 200 plus hours. Very good, very good. They are saying. Okay, I feel very happy. Okay, my stomach is full already. Nice, nice. Good to see, guys. Good to see a lot of participation and a lot of interest. Okay, the more you good are, the more benefits I will give you. Yes, they are like some people, some person is asking me, is there any other separate course for core Java? Yes, I also have that. If you want that, I can add that into the list. Okay, I'll be giving you a lot of things, guys. At the end of the course, right? I'll be giving you a certificate. I will be giving these free courses. I'll be giving you some interview questions, and I will be giving. If someone is asking me some core Java, I have a lot of okay videos on core Java. I'll be giving you that. A lot of things I'll be sharing you at the end of the course. Okay, not only these things. These are just beginning things. Okay. No, no, no. API I'm not going to cover as part of these sessions at all. Okay. So if there is something that I can cover as part of Selenium, I'll try to think about that. Okay. I'll make a note of that. Okay. Appium, I don't have anything related to Appium or API. I only have security API and security API and Selenium video courses. But in future, if I create such kind of video courses, definitely I'll be sharing with you guys for free, guys. Okay. I will add you into a list of my sheet where I will mention that any courses I create in future will be free for you. Okay. You don't have to pay anything. You can reach me anytime and get that courses for free. Okay. So you don't, once you attend the training session with me, everything will be free for you. Okay. I don't want to charge. Money is not something that will drive me. Okay. Something that drives me is like how much impact I am doing to the people. That actually drives me, guys. Okay. So that's the main intention. I'm going to drive. Okay, I'm going to make an impact. That's the only thing I focus. So don't worry, once you get into my training guys, everything will be free for you. You can ask me anything. I'll do my level best in getting you a lot of stuff apart from this. No, at present there is no morning time course. Okay, at present, but in future I may announce. Okay, at present I'm not planning anything, but I will let you know guys. Okay, if I because I mean, if I take multiple courses at same time, right, that it will drain me out. Okay, so it will drain me out. So I will share you some content regarding Appium to you to Divya is asking me like any Appium basic knowledge. I'll try. I will try to do that by the end of the course. I'll try to do that, and if not, I will be sharing you some content around that at least. Okay. So we don't know, right, how much time it will take, because 2 months is a strict deadline, and after that I already asked you for half more month. If you guys are more interested, right, I will think about that. Okay, what to do and all. Time doesn't matter for me, but it's matter for you, I guess, right? If any interesting topics you are expecting from my side, just ask me. I'll try to cover at least at a brief level. Okay, fine guys. Is that clear guys? Divya, are you fine with my answer? Are you okay guys? Are you okay? Yes, great guys, great, that's very great. So anything else from my side? Yeah, that's it, guys. We are good to go. This is our first day session, demo session. We are done with the demo session, and hope you will be okay. I'll be seeing a lot of people in tomorrow's session also. Tomorrow is also a demo session, guys. Just attend it so that you can treat that as a first session at same time, and you will get to know like how my training skills are there, and how easy I just train the people. Okay. Great, guys. Great. Good to see a lot of participation. So, guys, any questions left before I wind up today's demo session? Any questions you have, guys? Yes, definitely. One person is asking me a question like, I don't have any knowledge of Java. Okay. Whether by attending the course, can I get, as I explained clearly, right? This course covers more of Java. So, very organized manner, guys. Okay. You will feel very confident after the sessions. Okay. Java sessions will be apt for you. I have very good experience in training Java stuff. So I can teach Java in such a way that anyone can understand. So no need to worry. Okay. So Java, you will be very confident after these sessions. And any other question? Yes, you can join with the same URL for now. Whatever the meeting URL we shared, right? Same meeting URL will be there, but still, we'll try our level best in reaching you. Okay, and mentioning about the tomorrow's demos, second demo session. And Sriram also will be sharing you one meeting URL, which will be same anyhow. Today's meeting URL only. At same time, we can meet. Not no issues. Okay, but still, we'll be communicating over email and other ways. Yes, definitely. We are going to share today's demo recording to you guys. Okay. Today's demo recording will be shared to you guys without any problem. Okay. Along with the notes also. And any other questions? Yes, Sriram already said he is going to share tomorrow session. That's great. Yes, great. Okay, fine. So Sriram will be taking about job things. I am not good at jobs. Okay, Sriram is the person who will be taking about jobs. Okay, you have to reach him for jobs. Okay, he is very good at jobs, and right, he is sharing a lot of helpful content every day to everyone. So that's very good sign I see from Sriram. And I will be only focusing on training, and I will be trying to making you confident in automation and any other related stuff. Okay, so guys, any more questions left? Okay, still any more sessions? I am very happy to help over there. Any more sessions, guys? Any more questions from your side? From your side, guys? I'll be waiting for 1 more minute. You can ask me any more questions. Hope I am able to clear all your doubts in today's session. Clear. You can type clear, guys. If you are clear, you just type clear. Otherwise, you can ask question. You can just type clear if you are clear. Yeah, no, we are fine. Great. I'm seeing a lot of clear things. Okay, seeing a lot of participation at the same time. That's very great, guys. Clear, fine. So, Sriram, up to you. Shall we end today's session, Sriram? What do you think? Okay, sorry, I have to unmute you. I'm unmuting you, Sriram. Wait, give me a second. Yes.
Yeah, thanks for unmuting me. So, everyone, I hope you are happy with today's session. So, from my opinion, what I feel is the contents shared in this session are very useful, and I feel this training is at very reasonable price compared to any other trainings in market. Okay, so even very good trainers, they are selling their recorded videos for 5,000 or 3,000. Okay, but you are getting live training with 5,000 and with all the benefits which Arun mentioned. Okay, so I would request everyone to make best use of this opportunity and land yourself in your dream jobs. Okay, so regarding tomorrow's demo session part 2, I will be sharing one more calendar invite. Okay, so maybe today end of the day, so that you will not miss. Okay, Zoom details will be the same as Arun mentioned. You can join. Arun, the demo timings tomorrow will be same, right? At
Yes,
10 a.m., right?
yes, same, Sriram.
Okay, cool. Yeah.
Yeah, great.
So if there are no questions, we can sign
Yes,
off.
yes, I didn't get any more questions. I think we are very good now. Okay.
Okay.
And
Okay, cool.
thanks for the nice words, Sriram. And
Yeah.
hope a lot of good people, a lot of good number of people will be attending tomorrow's demo session too. Let's see.
Yeah, hope so.
Okay,
Hope
hope
so.
so, hope
Yeah.
so. Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you guys.
Thanks.
Thank you guys. See you tomorrow at same time. Bye bye. Enjoy
Bye.
today.
Enjoy your
Bye.
weekend.
Yes,
Bye.
yes.
Bye,
Enjoy,
guys.
enjoy. Bye. Bye.